Hi, I'm survival expert and nature specialist Dalton V. Join me as I show you the beauties of nature. Hi, this here is an American pine tree, one of the most beautiful bitches I've ever seen. I've licked these, I've touched these, I've done a lot of things with these trees, but one thing's for sure, they are miracle. You won't believe what this is. Another American pine tree. Hey, I hate to interrupt you, but it's grass time. This here, green American soil grass. This is some of the best grass I've ever eaten before. It's not as good as farm grass, but it's some damn good grass. Here, I'll sample some right about now. Yeah, not as good as field grass, but I do love grass. Almost a lot more than I like trees. God, I love trees. This here, an American rock. These rocks, they help feed the grass. They go around at night scavenging for food. I'd eat them, but they don't come out very good when I poop. Sand is fucking gay. It does absolutely nothing. Yeah, I'm in the middle of the road, and I don't give a fuck. 'Cause I eat grass, and I love eating grass. Okay, go! There's a car! Wow. It's crazy in there. Whoa, what's that? Hey. These toads, they they taste so much better than grass. I want to punch you. Guess what I'm standing on? An American tree stump. Right now, I'm standing in front of a school. I went to one of these. I learned all about trees, grass, and more grass, because I really love grass. But it's just one of those things I can't get enough of. I can't.
Man, you know what I love just as much as trees and grass? Windows. These windows, probably made in like 1990s. I know this because I used to work in a window factory. These pipes, those are ripe. So, this is their trash bin. Sorry I might have hit the mic there. You guys even know where all this trash goes? Because I do. Washing machine back here. Hey guys. So I saw something that caught my eye over here just 3 seconds ago. It might be kind of hard to see, but ancient technology. This hasn't been used probably 30 years. That's what I call ancient. Now, see? It's horrible. You see there's a pipe that leads from the back of this device going to these two tanks, meaning that it must be gas powered. Oh, it's still kind of warm to the touch. I think it's still being used. Oh yeah, you can definitely smell the gas being emitted from this thing. Washing machines. They're not normally found outside, but I found this one right here. Luckily for us, we didn't have to barge into someone's house. Now, I usually lick these when I see them, but this one's outside, as I mentioned before. It's got dust to the touch. Usually the ones inside have thicker dust, that's why I lick them. This one smells a lot like pot, and it doesn't work. So we're going to be skipping this one for now. More windows, as I said, 1980s or whatever, you know. And if you look over here, I don't know what these are. Hey guys. I'm on a playground right now. It's pretty fun. Playgrounds are supposed to be fun. Made out of a lot of steel. The steel's made to last. I'm trying to get down. Okay. Studded wood. This is to keep it stronger. It's studded with rubber. You don't usually see this. I'm guessing the rubber is supposed to be a cheaper alternative to steel studding. And I guess it works for a child's playground, but I wouldn't recommend it if you're trying to do it for an adult playground. Steering wheel. Personally, it's my least favorite part about playgrounds. Follow me further. I feel like these worked when I was younger. They don't work now. This here, always fun for anyone, unless it's really dirty. Then I don't even fucking look at them. We have our basic slides. This one has a I don't know if you can see that, but it splits off into 3 different directions. Here's your basic fireman chute, made out of painted steel. Sorry, it's been a while. This sign, but this one, your standard no trucks allowed. You see this everywhere. This type of metal, I worked with the company that makes this metal every day. Now, when you come across these pedestrian walking signs, you never really notice this material that they use. It's made out of hexagonal reflective paper. I've never actually worked with this company before though, so I don't know their name. I've licked it a couple times. Tastes horrible. Don't try licking it. This sign seems pretty neat. The only thing I'd say that's kind of off about it is its position next to these disgusting tasting flowers. I've tried them before. And how bad the resolution is. It'd be hard to read that shit. It's kind of a cool house. Yeah, I kind of want to get closer and get a better look. Damn, the dogs are annoying tonight. Man, this is really looking like a nice house. Wonder if they have a nice dryer. Oh, look at all these owls. They have a good light system. Usually those things don't activate for miles. I bet they have a nice dryer.